have done in a small event for the special kids, the physically handicapped kids. So we have done last week the drawing competition. Now today we have exhibited all those paintings to bring that kids out and make them special. They are not special, but we have to make like they are also normal like us. So doing donating something is also good. Then if we'll spend some time with them, no, that is more they'll feel more happy than donating something to them. This is a Lama Khan. Here we can organize any non-profitable things. We can organize the thing. So we got a permission when we asked them. They have given the permission, and we have conducted this event. And few college students and few of them have done the performance, and few of them they have done the mimicry. All those things. They all came up. They want to do something for the kids, not for the money. They spend some time with them. That is just making that kids happy. That's it. To one day if they come out, no, they'll feel, and even they will also get the confidence they can do. They are not normal, but they feel they are normal only. Even they can also do anything like us. To make that confidence, we have got the kids over here. So just now you have spoken to kids also. See, they can tell. If we ask something, they can tell them. So if we spend, no, then they will also have that confidence to do anything. So that is the main thing we have brought him here. Actually 50 kids were taken part, but today all are not here. Few kids are there. Today you have seen, no, this is only the exhibition, the competition where we have conducted only that art things are over here. And we conduct workshops on Saturdays, Sundays, which is like best of the waste workshops. There anyone can come and join us. So we will teach the workshops over there for kids, for anyone. Thank you, sir.